Hello guys, welcome back to Run to Legend. Today what we're going to be doing, an unboxing review of this JISULIFE portable fan. So basically they were doing a giveaway in central London of these fans and I was able to get one for free. So that's pretty cool of them that they actually gave one of these for free. It was just an event and yep. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see if this is a good fan and how efficient it is. So it claims to have a 200 milliamp hour battery capacity, so basically in a way this is a power bank, so kind of cool. So I'm actually excited to open it. So what we're just going to open it up now, and as you can see I've got the green color, so I just took it out of the box. We're going to see how it looks like, so I'm just going to take it out over here. So as you can see it's got a what else have we got in here? We've got something else in there. Alright, so I just took all the contents out of the box, and as you can see they've gave us a USB-C cable, which is I can feel it and it's pretty good quality. So yep, I'm happy with this USB-C cable. I'm going to be using this since I've got one already. I'm not going to use it now, I'm just going to keep it as spare. So yeah, it's a really good quality cable. So yeah, I'm really happy with this cable. Then we've got the lanyard right over here, so you can just wrap it around the fan. So I don't even have my tripod today, so that's why it's a bit awkward to put the lanyard on. So I'm just going to do it like this. Shows you the user guide over here, so it shows you, it's actually got a flashlight built in, believe it or not. Pretty interesting. I've never really done an unboxing and review video outside. Thought I'd try it because I just got it from the station. They just gave it away for free and I thought I might as well do it while it's sunny outside. So see, as you can see, they've got the flashlight over here. So I'm really happy with this fan. So I wonder how this works. So how do you open this up? Okay, oh, so I hit my hand with it. So essentially, I don't know how, oh, I think I pressed the power button by accident, but this is the fan. And as you can see, it works really well, and here it's so quiet. That's actually unbelievable. I'm gonna put my microphone close to it to show you how quiet it is. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is the USB-A port and this is the USB-C port. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I wonder if I can get this light working. Actually, did I just turn it on in the case? I think I just did. Does it turn on while it's in the case? Okay, so it doesn't turn on the case, so it won't do that. And yeah, as you heard, it's got two settings. So if you press it once, this is the first setting, this is the second setting. And if I change the shutter speed, then you can see it in a different way. So I'll put in 1/50th of a second, so now you can see what my eyes actually see, because 1/50th is close to the human eyes. So this is setting number 1 and this is setting number 2. As you can see, look at that. Really interesting, isn't it? And it shows you all these specs. So it's got a 5V 1A input and output. And yes, I really like this fan. I want to see how to turn the flashlight on. I think you press and hold it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press and hold the button. And as you can see, when you press and hold it, it turns the flashlight on. So that's pretty neat. I like that. I really like this fan that they gave away for free. Very kind of them, and it's also a really good quality. I'm actually impressed with this. I know this USB-A port can charge devices, but I want to see if this is actually bi-directional. So I know this is for charging, but I want to see if this is actually bi-directional. So I'm going to plug in a USB tester into here. And yep, nothing shows up. So I just plugged my phone into USB-C port and no sign of life. So that means it doesn't charge via the USB-C cable. So I took my case off because it's so hot and my phone keeps overheating, so I just took the case off. I'm going to charge the fan, so I'll just plug this in now and let's see what speeds do we get. All right, so we're getting 5 watts in the fan, as you can see, and we've got a red indicator right over here to show that it's charging. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to charge the device from this fan. So I'm going to plug it into the USB-A port right over here. I'm going to charge my phone with it, and I just plugged it in, and as you can see, we're getting 6 watts. So we're getting more than 4 watts, as you can see. 6 watts. Getting 6 watts in there into my phone. I also turned all the lights off just now, so I can actually use the torch from this light in the complete darkness just to see how bright the torch is. Nice. It's actually reasonably bright. Yeah, it's a pretty good torch. Alright, so that was my unboxing and review of the JISULIFE JISULIFE collab portable fan, and it's, yeah, I'm really happy with this fan. It's really good. They got a good USB-C cable, come with the box, USB-C to A cable, and it's very nice and foldable as well, so you can just put it in your bag like this, and then you can just open it up, turn the fan on, and it's got a flashlight in it, and it's also got some, and it can also be used as a power bank, which is really good. So yeah, I'm really happy with this little device. It's actually got 2000 milliamp hours, so, and yeah, I can use it as an emergency power bank. So even in the winter, you could use it as a power bank, and I guess if you're running out of battery in your phone, just it makes up for a really good power bank. So yeah, I'm really happy with this device. I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Look at that insect. Oh, it fell up. Proof that it's still alive. As you can see, it survived the fall.